Ever seen a ClassCastException crash your Java app at runtime? That's exactly what generic types prevent. Generic types let you parameterize classes and methods with type variables. Instead of writing a list that holds any object, you write list of t, where t is a placeholder. At compile time, you specify what t actually is. This makes your code work with any type while staying type safe. The biggest win is type safety. Without generics, you could add a string to a list and accidentally try to pull out an integer, causing a runtime crash. With generics, the compiler catches this mistake before your code ever runs. You get a compile error instead of a ClassCastException in production. No more guessing what type a collection holds. Here's a practical example. Array list of string stores only strings. If you try to add an integer, the compiler rejects it immediately. You can also build your own generic classes. A box of t can hold any type you specify when you create it. One box holds strings, another holds integers, all from the same reusable class definition. This is code reusability at its best. Write one generic class or method, then use it with strings, integers, custom objects, whatever you need. No duplicating code for each type. The Java Collections framework uses generics everywhere for exactly this reason. Generic types give you compile time type safety and let you write reusable code that works with any type. Practice building your own generic class to master this concept. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.